We surprised Axson for his birthday with the gift of a Disney cruise. Just him and Dad on the Disney Dream departing out of Fort Lauderdale just a few days after he turned 5.
Trying to get to a store. Hi. We're going on the ship. We're going on the ship. Do, do, do.
This is the first time our family has cruised on DCL out of this port. The night before embarkation, they stayed at the Hyatt Place, Fort Lauderdale, Cruiseport.
So this is our first time leaving out of Terminal 4 here in Fort Lauderdale, Port Everglades, which is the Disney terminal here. So we'll see what it's like.
Since it was Axson's birthday trip, he got to decide all the activities and fun. The only hiccup that morning was that the hotel was so close to the port that no lifts wanted to take the job. But eventually they got there, and it was a whirlwind of excitement. This terminal was decorated with Nemo themes that prepare guests to take to the sea. It felt a little crowded, but super efficient, and they were boarding the ship less than 30 minutes after they arrived.
Axson decided he did not want to wait in line for a picture, so we are here getting on the ship.
If you stick to your port arrival time, things should go smoothly.
Please welcome aboard the Verandah family.
We believe strongly in taking special one-on-one trips with your kiddo to strengthen your relationship and let them make it the trip they want.
Normally, when we board, the first thing we do is go get lunch. But we are boarding group 5 and got here so early and kind of slept in this morning and had such a late breakfast that we're not having lunch first. What are we going to do first? Pool. I'm pretty confident Axson's going to be the first one in this pool. So let's see.
When you board the ship first, they don't have all the loud music and crowds that come later with the sail away party. If you find those things overwhelming, this can be a great solution.
Now, Axson left the pool a minute ago and tried going into Nemo's Reef, but he was turned away because he's now 5. So they asked him as he was getting in, they were like, "How old are you?" He was like, "I'm 5. He turned 5 like a few days ago. And they were like, "Sorry, this is for 4 and under." So he's aged out.
Now, Axson will take you on a tour of stateroom 10130.
Come on, Daddy.
Here we are. Axson, what room number are we in?
130.
Now show us around the room.
This is gonna be our bed. We could make this couch into a bed. And I wonder, why is the door here?
That is a connecting door in case we knew the people next door. We could open the door and have 2 rooms that are connected, but we don't know them, so we'll leave the door closed. Sound good?
If you have trash in your, like, why do I put this trash? There's no trash outside. You could just put it right here.
Oh, perfect. A trash can.
So this is the calling station. So this is just how you do it. And here, there's nothing. And here, there's nothing. And here, there is something.
What is it? Oh, thank you. Tips for traveling with lithium metal and rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. So this is a Murphy bed, which comes down, which the last time we were on this ship, we were in this same room. We actually had 2 adjoining rooms, and we actually pulled the Murphy bed down. We're not going to do that today. In addition to the couch and the Murphy bed, there is also this drop-down bed. So this room could successfully and easily fit 5 people, but we're just 2.
Another bed. It's not that good.
Is that a good spot for hiding or for bags?
For bags.
Tell us about the bathroom.
Wait, I didn't see it yet.
He doesn't mention it, but there are plugs on the bedside table, both European and US.
Is it here?
Okay.
Oh, it is. Oh, this is the sink, and that's where the shower is.
You have this circular bathtub that is kind of good for a kid your size, not so good for an adult, but it's a nice size shower for an adult, right?
But whenever you get too much water on your body when you're doing a shower, you could just go right here. You could just go right here and not get any water on you.
Got it.
And wait until it dries.
That's like a drying spot?
Yeah.
Nice.
These soaps up here.
Okay. And what are they?
Soap.
But what kinds? Read them.
Body wash.
And?
Shampoo.
And? Conditioner. Exactly.
Conditioner.
And then over here, there's body lotion.
Conditioner.
There's sea salt bath soap. And there is a makeup towel in addition to all of the other towels. Where do we go if we need to use a toilet?
I know. And this one.
He also doesn't show you what's inside these two closets, but if you check out our other dream stateroom tour, you'll see what they look like inside.
This one.
Oh, cool.
And there's another sink.
So there's two sinks.
Yeah.
Also in the toilet bathroom, you have hand soap and the smaller sink. And this ship has those
My head's a daddy.
light switches on the outside. Oh, we're doing a test on the hand soap?
Yeah.
Nice. Because it's always important to wash your hands when you're on a cruise ship, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh?
Oh wait, is our sensor broken?
No. Ow! I did not see that.
Whose towel is that?
Mickey!
Yep.
Oh, wait,
You're gonna wash your hands again?
Yeah, there's still more germs.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a balcony. Wait a minute.
You need help opening the door?
Yeah.
Okay, watch this. You take the handle and you twist it down. Did you hear it? It's like, oh, the wind is blowing now. And then you can open it. And what's the rule? What's the rule about the balcony? Or the veranda is what it's called.
You can't get off.
Well, you can't go on it unless what?
There's a grown-up.
Correct. Now, what can you tell me about what's further out there? What do you see out there?
So, sails.
Yep. Do you see the Jewel of the Seas, a crown ship? A Royal Caribbean
That
ship?
was big.
Yep. The Celebrity Reflection.
Yeah, I like the celebrity.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Cool.
but I love the soft snickerdoodles they had.
When my kids were little and I was worried about safety on these balconies, we'd discuss not climbing on the furniture or rails, but I'd also store my suitcase in front of the sliding door to block it and keep the door locked so they never went outside alone. The balconies can be a great place to sit while your kiddo naps inside or to share a room service breakfast together. Other fun details include nightly turn-down service, when your stateroom attendant leaves you chocolates and towel animals, or in this case, a blanket crab. And also when your attendant will open up the Murphy bed, the upper berth, or make up the sofa bed.
Okay, thanks for doing the tour. Bye!
We have more to show you about Axson's Dream Cruise, so be sure to subscribe to follow along. And let us know in the comments if there are any questions we can answer about the stateroom. We'll see you next time, travelers!